Today I'm gonna fix his neck. Yes, look that way, this way. Okay, and look this way. Okay, okay. I'm gonna record his neck crack by this phone. So I want you to hold this phone here like this, so that I can record the neck crack. And look that way. Okay, and downside. Okay, that much. Okay, so here there is a little bit tight. Can you feel this here? You can feel it, isn't it? And this place. Okay, so I'm gonna fix like this. I'm gonna fix this place.
Wow,
How you feel?
nice and good.
It's nice.
Yeah.
And can you look that way? Yes, of course. And we'll do that side. I want you to hold this side.
Okay. Wow.
How do you feel?
Yeah, nice.
Okay, so you can check it. Can you look this way? That way. No. Look that way.
This way.
Yeah. It's a little bit different. It's easier, isn't it?
Yes.
And the side? It's easier.
Yeah.
Okay. So look upside as much as you can.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's easier. So I'm gonna stimulate your nerve, your auditory nerve.
Wow.
And this side. Yes.
Wow.
Okay. So can you look this side? Your whole body. Yes. Like this. And trust me, okay? Trust me. Okay. Okay, anyway. Before we did, we'll keep again your record. Keep your hand to your neck, on your neck. So. Trust me.
Okay.
Yes, I'll keep the recorder here. Trust me, okay? Relax. Deep breath. Deep breath.
Wow.
How you feel?